In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Zoho Mail. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two so that emails in Zoho Mail can automatically trigger ChatGPT to analyze, summarize, or draft content for you. I'll guide you through each click, explain what's happening, and share tips to make your setup smooth and reliable. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com, sign in, or create a free account if you're new. Once you're in, create a new Zap. Giving it a clear name like Zoho Mail to ChatGPT will make it easier to manage later. You'll start on the trigger side, which tells Zapier when to run. Click the trigger box to choose an app, then search for and select Zoho Mail. Next, pick a trigger event. Common choices include new email, new starred email, or new email matching a search. Think about your goal. For example, if you only want to process messages in a specific folder or with a keyword, choose the event that best aligns with that. Zapier will show options to narrow things down later, like the mailbox or folder. Now sign in to your Zoho Mail account. A secure window will open so you can authorize Zapier. Approve the requested permissions so Zapier can read the emails needed to trigger your workflow. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step here. When connected, Zapier will prompt you to test the trigger. Click test to pull in a recent sample email. If nothing shows up, send yourself a quick test message to the mailbox or folder you selected, then test again. Seeing real sample data here is essential for the next part. With the trigger working, move to the action, which defines what happens next. Click the action box and search for ChatGPT. In Zapier, you may see it listed as OpenAI or OpenAI ChatGPT. Select it, then choose the action event that fits your use case, such as generating text or creating a conversation. You'll then sign in to your ChatGPT or OpenAI account to authorize the connection. Now configure the action. This is where you write the prompt and map fields from the Zoho Mail trigger, like the email subject or body. Be clear and specific in your prompt. For example, summarize the following email in 3 bullet sentences and highlight any deadlines. Use the sample data to preview what will be sent. Finally, click Test Action. Zapier will send the sample email content to ChatGPT and return a response. Review the output to make sure it meets your expectations. If needed, refine your prompt or the fields you mapped, then test again. Once the test looks good, your connection between Zoho Mail and ChatGPT is ready to use.